Our cornchaff is ready, and this is what the end result looks like. It tasted so yummy and delicious. If you want to see how I prepared this, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. So guys, let's go. Before I begin with the video, I'm going to be showing you how I prep my cornchaff for my next meal. So what I do is I make sure I boil a lot of corn and I boil a lot of beans as well. After boiling, I just separate and put the corn on one side, and the beans I just measured the quantity and I added it in a bowl. You can put it in a Ziploc bag and just store it in your deep freezer. So when next you're ready to make your cornchaff, it will be very easy. Like you tell someone, oh, I intend to prepare cornchaff today, and before they know it, 30 minutes food is ready, guys. So that is a very great tip I thought to share with you guys today, how you can make your cornchaff. So someone came to my house and we were discussing, and the person said, I haven't eaten cornchaff in a while, and I said, you're going to eat it today. I entered my kitchen, and 30 minutes later food was ready, and she was like, this is magic. I said, don't be magic. Oh, this is not magic, guys. You just need to know how to prep your meals. So when you do your meal prep very well, know that your next meal will be very easy to make. It makes cooking very easy, and it helps to facilitate a lot of things. So I boiled my corn, and now I'm going to be showing you the ingredients that I used in making this cornchaff. So that is onions, 2 habanero pepper, that is my ginger, garlic, country onion, and 1 pepper, that is my washed corn. You're going to be needing seasoning cubes, that is bell pepper and tatashe. You need so that's the corn and beans in the big bowl that I boiled before, like I was explaining previously. So that is how I do. After that, I make sure I wash the corn and I separate the quantity I'm going to use for the day and the one for the next meal. So I use tatashe and bell pepper. It gives it a very nice taste. So make sure to put hot oil on a pan. This is another means of preparing cornchaff. There are other ways of making it. Do what works for you. So guys, I just went ahead and fried the onions. Make sure to fry the onions for 2 to 3 minutes until you obtain the translucent color. After that, I added in my blended peppers. That's my tatashe and my bell pepper and my habanero pepper that I have blended. And then I added the beef that I used for this. Feel free to use any protein of your choice. You can use meat, you can use dry fish. Dry fish works very well. I make sure to add crayfish. Crayfish is very necessary. It gives it a very nice taste, and the aroma that comes out of it is amazing. So after that, I went ahead to add corn and the beans and make sure to mix very well so that everything incorporates nicely. After that, cover the pot and allow it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes while checking from time to time. So guys, after allowing this to cook, I had to come again to check after 15 minutes, guys. So I thought maybe the beans wasn't enough, so I added some beans. That's why you see it looking like this. So I'm just going to stir again and taste for salt. I tasted and everything was okay, so I cover the pot and allow it cook again for another 10 minutes until everything is nice and ready. If you've watched up to this extent, thank you so much for watching. Bye, and see you in my next video.